Have you ever tried to make a lasting change and felt like the world was working against you? Guess what? You're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the six most common obstacles that sabotage progress and how to overcome them. I'm Dr. Lester Bouchard, and I help people move from stuck to unstoppable. Change is hard, but once you understand the obstacles slowing you down, it becomes a lot easier to develop solutions and move forward. Let's start with the big one: time. You're not lazy, you're overloaded. Real change doesn't demand more hours, it demands better focus. Time is finite. There are only 24 hours in a day, so you have to make do with what you have. Chart your typical daily schedule from the moment that you get up until you go to bed, and look for the gaps and low priority time consumers, like watching TV or engaging in social media. Large blocks of times are ideal, 30 minutes to an hour, but even small blocks of time during different parts of the day can be put to good use. Any time that can be shifted from low priority time consumers to planning or better preparing meals or engaging in exercise is time that's better well spent. Number two, children or family obligations. Children and family members influence our time and diet. Potentially, you can exercise with family members, like taking a walk, a stroll, or jog with an infant, engaging in sport or outdoor activities with children, or meal prepping together. You may also enlist the help of various family members, friends, a babysitter, school, or other community organizations to get personal time. And many gyms have free childcare services included with membership. Number three, lack of energy. You're tired, and that's real. Work, family, and other obligations can influence meals, create stress, and zap energy. However, eating good, healthy, clean foods at regular intervals helps provide energy. Regularly engaging in physical activity not only reduces stress, but also restores and increases energy. Regularly engaging in stress reduction techniques like meditation or visualization can increase energy. And don't underestimate hydration, sleep, and sunlight. They're free energy upgrades. Or you could take a B complex vitamin to help the body convert food into energy. Number four, weather or access to resources. Rainy days, no gym, no organic produce. These limitations are frustrating, but can easily be overcome. Focus on adaptability. Move indoors. You don't need the outdoors or a gym to do cardio or body weight strength training exercises. There are all kinds of YouTube videos for both of these. And conventional produce just needs to be thoroughly washed with warm water and vinegar solution or warm water and a mild soap. Use what you have. Number five, social influences. Your environment includes people, and not all of them support your growth. You have to minimize exposure to unhealthy people. Protect your mindset. Find one person or group, online or offline, who supports your efforts and believes in you. Ask them to help you stay on track. There are also numerous online resources and local support groups for people with similar goals. Number six, environmental cues. Sometimes it's the snacks on the counter, or the couch that whispers, skip today, or anything else that you see, hear, or smell that triggers a thought and reaction. You have to minimize exposure to unhealthy cues and have a contingency plan in effect for when it does happen. If you can, remove yourself from the environment. If not, change your thoughts immediately to the healthy alternatives of the unhealthy cues. Train your body and mind to overcome these distractions. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a plan that works for you. These obstacles are common, but they don't need to control your life. Focus on solutions. And if you found this helpful, like this post and subscribe to my channel, or add a comment about health topics that you would like me to address. Until next time, make better choices, and get healthy.